Hi, this is Judy from Insider Insight, and this is the Ninja Smoothie Blast. It comes with the machine and 2 awesome smoothie cups. So it is very neat. So if you love smoothie like I do, I package this up everywhere I go because this is it. I just take these 2 and my fruit and I make my smoothies everywhere I go because it's cordless. I charge it and it comes with a USB charger right here. So, and what I like is comes also with the blade cover. So you just unscrew this blade cover and here is your blade. Okay. So I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay. So it comes with the kind of a flyer that has all the different colors of lighting. So if it's yellow, it tells you it's low battery. It's purple, it's ready to go. It's ready, requires charging. So it gives you kind of a legend of what the machine tells you. Those are the lights around here. Okay. So here is what I do. So you have to unscrew the bottom and screw it on the machine. Okay. Every cup has a line for maximum fill. If it goes above the line, it would not change. It would not start. So make sure you do this. I learned that. I'm like, what is happening? But because it was higher than the line. Okay. And so I screw the top, put the ice on the top and the bottom. Sometimes I also like to crush the ice first because as soon as you put the fruit and the yogurt and stuff, it gets so high and it would not start as easy. So all what you have to do, you press on and here we go. Ice crushed. And I love using the seasonal fruit. This is mangoes, so I'm putting mangoes in. I love mangoes. And then my liquid is yogurt. So I kind of look, I call it the mango colada because the yogurt is pineapple coconut. So it's in the mango colada. Make sure it's kind of patted in so it will be underneath the line. Close it tightly. Press play, restart. And you can see it works. If it doesn't, if it gets stuck, what I learned also, you shake it a bit. There you go, you can see it'll mix it up. Blending very nicely. So when it's done, here, this is how you take it out. You put it upside down, make sure it's all down, unscrew the bottom. The blade is off. Put the cover back on, the bottom cover, secure it, and here you go. You have your smoothie ready to go. Yum. So if you're looking for a portable smoothie machine that you can take with everywhere, this is a very nice, handy, small machine that you can take with. So this is Judy and I like my Ninja.